Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a shape editable in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photoshop, then create a new file and use shape, rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, polygon tool as your wish. Example, I use polygon tool, hold shift. Okay, then click this path selection tool, select path and move. And again right click, direct selection tool, edit. And right click on your mouse, rasterize layer. Then you can use brush tool or eraser tool, filter, glowing, etc. And edit convert to smart object. Right click, convert to smart object. Then double click the convert to smart object, edit shape. Press Ctrl T or press Ctrl T again, hold Ctrl, edit it, change color. Press Ctrl S, then automatically edit it to the shape. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.